Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings for the Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sleeping Dogs game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. Now from the Options screen, tap on Display, which will now take you into your display options. Now you can choose your preferred resolution and also enable full screen. And at the very end, you have the graphics detail. You have various options within this, ranging from low, medium, high, and extreme. There is also the custom option that you can choose to make your own desired changes. You can try to use the extreme and high presets first and see how they perform within your game. If you notice any lags or issues, then you may try switching to medium and save your changes by pressing the save button. Now, if you choose the custom option, tap on the Q button to go into advanced options, and now you can change various different details. You can try reducing the shadow resolution as well as the quality of anti-aliasing. Turn on VSync if you notice any screen tears, and you may also try reducing the motion blur quality. Decreasing the world density will also draw out more performance from your device. And you can try decreasing the level of 3D depth and convergence to gain extra performance. After making your changes, press the save button, and now you can go back and see how your performance will play out. You can try the benchmark mode as well to see how these settings will perform. And once you have reached a satisfying level of performance and quality, you can save these settings and continue to use them within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphics settings for the Sleeping Dogs game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.